Good morning students, how are you? Today again we will discuss what class 10th maths chapter chapter name is circles. In the previous lecture we have discussed up to example number 2. Now example number 3, page number 212. Example number 3. It's given PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle radius how much? 5 cm. What's given? This given. Understood? This point is outside the circle. This touching at here. And this is the center. PQ is a chord. This is PQ is what? Chord. This is PQ and this is D. Same PQ is the chord of length how much? 8 cm. Of circle radius how much? 5 cm. So this is the circle having radius 5 cm. Understood? Joining this point. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm. Of a circle of radius 5 cm, the tangent at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find the length of TP. Find the length of TP. It's meaning you have to find out PQ or you can find out PQ. Both are equal. So in your book given, join OT, let it intersect PQ at point R. They are intersecting. OT intersect at point R. Triangle PQ is what? Solution. By both methods I want to tell triangle PQ is an isosceles triangle. Triangle Y. Region is what? Because TP equal to TQ, you know tangent drawn from the outside of the circle from a point are always equal. TO is the bisector of angle PO is the bisector of angle PTQ. This is TO is the bisector. Bisector means divide into two equal parts. Understood or not? And OT is perpendicular to what? PQ. This angle is how much degree? 90 degree. This angle also 90. Understood or not? OT bisects PQ at point R. So what is this? This is the perpendicular bisector. So upside this is 4 cm and this also 4 cm. It's meaning PR equal to 4 cm. So what is OR? This angle 90 means this also 90. In triangle, which triangle? PRO. OP square minus PR square is equal to what? RO square. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is equal to base square. 25 minus 16 is equal to RO square. So what's RO? RO is the under the root. 25 minus 16 how much? 9 equal to RO. So what is RO? Plus minus 3, but length is always positive. So what is 3 centimeter, or you can say OR is equal to 3 centimeter. Understood or not understood? Understood? This is 3 centimeters. You have to find out what? You have to find the length of TP. TP you have to find out. Understood? You can apply this method also. Length. What is this? Starting from here, this is X. This is what? X. So what you can say? In triangle, in which triangle? PRP. PRP, this is the right angle. So again, opposite side is what? Hypotenuse. So TP square is equal to what? X square plus 4 square. 4 is the this. So you can say PR square plus RP square. So TP square you have to find out. PR X square plus RP 4 square. So it's meaning TP square is equal to X square plus 16. This is your first. Now in triangle, which triangle? PRO. Now which triangle? This triangle, first taken this triangle. Now which triangle you can take? This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is 4. And this angle, point of contact angle is how much degree? 90 degree. Now in triangle OPT. Understood? OPT, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So what is TP? TP square plus OP square is equal to PO square. So TP square is equal to PO square minus OP square. So TP square is equal to PO. This is X and this is 3. X plus 3 whole square minus OP. OP is how much? 5. This is second. Comparing first and second. Both side what? TP. Both side what? TP. So right hand side also equal. X square plus 16 is equal to X plus 3 whole square minus 25. Understood? So X square plus 16. Up to here understood? No problem, I think. A square plus B square. A square plus A plus 2AB minus this cancel this. This 16 equal to 6x minus 16. Yes or no? 25 minus 9, 16. Bring in this side. 16 plus 16 is equal to 6x. 32 equal to 6x. What is x? 32 by 6. 2 3 are 6, 2. 16 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 16 by 3 centimeters. But you have to find out what? PP. the value of what? X in first we get TP square is equal to 16 by 3 square plus 16 by 1. So what's this TP square? 256 by 9 plus 16 by 1. So TP square, what's the LCM? 9, 256 plus what? 144 is how much? TP square is equal to 400 by 9. What is TP square is equal to 400 by 9. So TP into TP we can write 20 by 3 into 20 by 3. Therefore TP equal to 20 by 3 meter given then meter, centimeter given then centimeter. But TP equal to T curve is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Here you can do like this also, no problem. TP equal to under the root 20 into 20 by 3 into 3. Or you can write like this is, or you can take this after this is coming plus minus 20 by 3. But length is always positive. So that's why we can say it is how much? 20 by 3. What's its value? 20 by 3. So I think all of you understood. Again I want to repeat. I want to tell by another method also. It is given a circle having radius 5 cm and this is called given PQ is equal to 8 cm and external point given from this two tangents are this TP and TQ. You know TP equal to TQ by a form and you have to find out what's the value of this TP. So what you can do, you can say this is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and divide the opposite side into two equal parts. So this is 4 cm, this is 5 cm. So easily you can find out OR, that is 3 cm. After that, one time you can take triangle PPR. This is a right angle triangle. Here is right angle at place R. So opposite to R is what? Hypotenuse. So TP square equal to TR square plus PR square or RP square. This is equal to coming this. What's the value of TRX? X square plus 16. Similarly, this triangle you can take this triangle OPT. This angle is right angle. So TP square plus OP square is equal to TO square. So again find out this TO is this is 3 cm, this is X. So what's become X plus 3 minus 5 square this. So here also TP square, here also TP square, meaning both are equal. Right here, solve it. So what's coming? X value 16 by 3. Putting the value of X by 16 by 3 either in first or second, and find out whose value. Find out value of TP which is equal to TQ. This is the one method, or you can say by using Pythagoras theorem. One more method that I want to tell. Figure remains same. Angle TPR equal to 90 degree or not? 90 degree. This is become the point of contact. So from the center, what is that is? That is what? What is that? 90 degree. TPR plus PPR. What is TPR? Angle PPR plus angle PTR. This is also 90 degree. Why? This is 90, so sum of this plus this 90, this plus this 90. Therefore, angle PPR plus angle RPO is equal to angle PPR plus angle PPR. This cancels this. Angle RPO, this means this angle equal to this angle. RPO, RP means this angle, O is equal to angle PPR, this angle. Understood? So what you can take in triangle RTP, which triangle? Sorry, TPR, TPR and triangle, sorry, TRP, in triangle TRP and triangle PRO and PRO. Angle TRP and PRO. This angle, which angle? PTR. PTR meaning this angle of this triangle is equal to which angle? RPO. RPO equal to this angle. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Angle PRT equal to angle PRO. So two angle equal, it means third angle also equal. Therefore, triangle PRP is similar to triangle PRO by what? By, you can see AA similarity rule. If two angle of a one triangle is equal to the two angle of another triangle, then two triangle are similar. So what's side are in the same ratio? So TP by what? TP by PO is equal to RP by RO. Three value given. TP we have to find out. TO 5 centimeter, RP 4 centimeter, RO 3 centimeters. This bring in this side. TP equal to 4 by 3 into 5 by 1. What is this? 20 by 3 centimeters. Hence, result. Again, I want to repeat this question, and then I want to tell you what's in it given. This is given, this figure given. We want to prove this triangle. This triangle PRP is congruent to triangle PRO. How can possible one angle 90 given? We will prove this angle equal to this angle. How can you prove this angle plus this angle? How much? 90 degree. Angle at where? Point of contact from the center of the circle. So this is 90. This complete is 90. Complete 90, and in triangle PRT or PRP, you can say this angle 90 is meaning this angle TPR plus this 90 is meaning this angle equal to this angle. Then what you can say? By A similarity rule, you can say these both triangles are similar. If both triangles are similar, it means side are in the same ratio. TP degree of triangle TRP by what? PO. PO is what? Triangle PRO is equal to RP. RP is of what? Triangle TRP by RO. RO is this triangle PRO. Both are equal. 3 value given. So fourth easily you can find out. You can apply any methods, depend upon you, but try to solve important question. Now your exercise. First question given, from a point Q, the length of the tangent is 24 cm, the distance of Q from center is 25 cm. Then the radius of the circle is this. So what's given, from a point Q, the length of the tangent is 20. This is given, and this is the point Q. How much? 24 centimeter. How much? From point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center. This is the center. So this is perpendicular. This angle, you know. This distance is how much? 25 centimeters. You have to find that this is O. This is B and this is Q. It means you have to find out what radius of the circle. So what you can say, in triangle, which triangle? P O Q, right angle at P. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, QP square plus OP square is equal to OQ square. So you have to find out what OP. So remaining taking this side, OP square equal to OQ square minus QP square. OP square is equal to 25 OQ square minus 24 square. Understood? A square minus B square. This you can write A plus B. And what? A minus B. So OP square is what? 49 into 1. OP square equal to 49. OP equal to plus minus 7. But radius is never negative. Therefore, OP equal to 7 centimeter. Hence, length of radius of given circle is 7 centimeters. In this way you can try to solve this exercise. Last exercise of this chapter. Remaining I can tell tomorrow one by one, but you try to solve it and complete your notebook till exercise, till chapter what? 10. Thank you all of you.